Hello, fellow dividend investors. Happy Tuesday. Today we had a green day in the market, which is great. We've had a few red days. And like I said in the video yesterday, a lot of people like financial education, PPC Ian, like Lydia Santiago, a lot of people that I watch had red days. So Mike the investor, like a lot of people had red days yesterday. So the market's been on kind of a downtrend, but remember that means that we have opportunities in the market. So today we did a lot of fluctuating. We got down to like 1470, got all the way down to like 1420, 425. We ended at 473. So there's a little bit of bounce back and forth there. So today we ended about $40 up. Like I said, so the week's going to be down. So on the week we're down 420. The month we're down 565. Again, remember guys, short term. This can do anything. We don't care. Month, week, day, that can do whatever. We don't care. 3-month mark, we're still up $943. On the year, we're still up almost $2,000. And all time, wow, I'm gonna have my 2-year anniversary here soon. It's February, so March, April, 2 months. I'll be investing for 2 years. That's insane. So over a year and a half now, about up $1,900, still 13%. So that's still good. So let's take a look at the individual stock performance. And like I said, guys, keep in mind, don't worry about this. I'm not worried about that at all. That's great. That means that there's deals in the market. So Altria, today we're up 40 cents a share, 98 shares, 89, 98 shares, about $4,900 of equity. 45.30 is our average cost, so we're up a bit on this. About 30% of the portfolio is in Altria stock. Today we're up about $40, as I said. Total we're at $476 or 10.7%. Next we have Coca-Cola, one of my favorites. We're down 47 cents, so we're up 47 on this. We're down 47 on that. That's funny. 17 shares of Coca-Cola, about $970 of equity. 51.10 our average cost. 5.8% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. We're down $8 today, up about 100 long term. We're up 11.5%. Next we have AT&T. This one seems like it's coming it's staying kind of flat. About the 37 to 39 range. We gained 32 cents today, 62 shares, almost $2,400 of equity in AT&T stock. 31.10 our average cost. About 15% of the portfolio is in AT&T stock. Today we gained about $20. Total we're up 460 or 24%. AbbVie is at 83.81. This one went down about 21 cents today per share. That would be we have 60 shares. We have $5,000 of equity in the stock. 72.22 is our average cost. That's when it really dropped down back to earth. We have 30% of the portfolio in AbbVie stock. We're down about $13 today. Total up almost $700. 16% return on investment on AbbVie stock. Next we have SKT. This one bounced back from where it was the other day. We're up about 17 cents a share on it. So 5 shares, $75 of equity. Average cost is $15.29, so we're down. So this would be a good one to buy. We have about 0.5% of equity in the stock, 0.5% of the portfolio is in SKT, which that will go up. Today we're up about 85 cents or 1.15%. Total we're down 147 or about 2%. Next we have Target at $115.69. We are down about 9 cents on this position. So 9 shares, about $1,200 of equity, 87.68 is our average cost. 7% of the portfolio is in Target stock. Today we're down about 90 cents, just as I said before. Total, we are up 280 or 31.95%. Next, we have ExxonMobil. This one's been a steady decliner, which is fine. We're up on this position about 8 cents a share. 29 shares, about $1,900 of equity in the stock. 73.50 is our average cost, about 12% or 11.5% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil stock. Today we are up $1.74. Total we're down $2.52. So this one is definitely the biggest loser in the portfolio right now, but that means it's a buying opportunity. So if I had cash, I would definitely be deploying it right now in ExxonMobil stock and in Tangier Factory outlets for the positions that I currently hold. Next we have Walgreens, and this would be a buy as well. Up 55 cents today. 1 share, $52.78 of equity, because that's what it's priced at. We have $54.60 as our average cost. 0.32% of the portfolio is in Walgreens stock. Again, it's only a share. We're up 55 cents today, down $1.82 total. So right now for me, SKT, WBA, and ExxonMobil would have 3 buys if I could do it right now. And then I wanted to go over the watch list a bit. I did get rid of Genuine Parts for Disney. I just like it better. I know Genuine Parts is a king, and I go after kings, and I might bend the rules and just add Disney because I love it so much. But I did switch out Genuine Parts for Disney because, let's be real, I love Disney stock. I'm a huge fan of Disney, Marvel, and everything that they own. It's crazy. So, and then I did, I added Colgate as well. So I got rid of Travelers Insurance for Colgate because I'm trying to keep it pretty even. So as you can see, I have 2 stocks there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from FRT to Illinois Tool Works. So 7 for the first one. I have 3 for the second month. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 7 and 8. And then the last one has 3 down from Waste Management, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm trying to keep it around the same amount of stocks for each for each month. But there are some that have extra, like 3 has a lot of dividend kings. So that's why I'm going to have a couple more payments in 3, 6, 9, 12 than I do for the other months. But I'm trying to be as diversified as possible, and I noticed that I had like 9 paying, so I had an extra one in 3 and didn't have enough in 1 or not enough in 2. So that way it's more balanced. So like I say, almost in every video, I know I'm overweight in MO and in AbbVie, and that's okay. I'm going to be buying stuff up probably the beginning or mid of next month or end of next month. I should be getting a new job, and I will be pouring money into opportunities that I have in the portfolio, as well as adding stuff into the portfolio as well. So next month I'm going to be buying O, and with the leftovers I will be buying SKT. But once I start adding new money to the portfolio, the first stocks I'm going to be buying are Kimberly-Clark, are Procter & Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson. So I'm gonna put like $1,000 a month into the market, and I'm trying to debate. So like I do really want to focus on the 3 I mentioned: KMB, Procter & Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson. But I might also, since I'm putting $1,000 in, I might just go down the line, buy like FRT, Disney, Pepsi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I might just buy FRT to Illinois Tool Works, buy them all, call it good. Next month, buy all of Colgate with $1,000 to AXP. Maybe buy 2 shares of a couple of them. And if I have enough, which I 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. So I think I might just go ahead and buy like $1,000 worth, like buy every stock. So like with $1,000, I buy all of 1, then I buy all of 2, then I buy all of 3, and I'll try to time it so I get paid by them, all of them, the first month I have them. So like let's say I started it in February. Well, the ex-dividend date for those stocks would be passed, so I'd buy March's instead. So like I'd buy 3 instead of 2. See what I mean? So then I get paid all the stocks that pay the next month. So anyways, guys, that's just a thought. Like I said, I'm going to buy O, Realty Income, and SKT, Tangent Factory Outlets, with the next dividend payment. So that will be coming early February or mid-February, I believe. So overall, guys, we did pretty good for today. We're up, we're green, happy, and all-time for today, and all-time we're up. So keep in mind, short-term fluctuation does not scare us. We are dividend investors. That means that there are deals in the market. When we buy stock low, not only do we get the appreciation, the possibility of good appreciation in the stock, we also get a higher yield on our investment. Think of buying an iPhone X for $1,000. You go back a month later and it's $900. You would still buy it. If you're willing to buy something at $1,000, you should be willing to buy it at $900, right? So think of it that way. So with that, I guess I'll end the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and when you do, hit that bell notification, because I drop a new video on my portfolio performance every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's 5 videos a week. 5 times to see me, 5 times to get updated, 5 times that we have price movements, dividend reinvesting. I'll talk about my stock pick, stuff like that. There could be changes on the watch list. There's a lot of content. So I put a lot into these episodes, and I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. And if you appreciate consistency, please hit subscribe, because I am working my butt off to get this content to you guys. So thank you so much to the subscribers who have stuck with me thus far. I appreciate you. If there's a stock in my watch list that I don't have or that you think deserves to be in my portfolio, let me know. And if you want to talk to me personally about stock market investing, dividend investing, that type of thing, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at that dividend guy, same as the channel. I know there's a couple people I've talked to through YouTube already on there that have talked to me about certain stocks, and I've looked into them. So I'm always up for stock picks, stuff like that. I love conversing about the stock market and different options, growth stocks, Tesla, just, a lot. I talk about pretty much anything you guys want to talk about on there. So I'm a genuine guy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Remember, stay long-term, stay positive, and continue to deploy cash regardless of what the market does. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.